On April 4th, Anthropic quietly broke my entire OpenClaw setup by restricting third-party usage on my Claude Max plan. It might not seem like a big thing, but picture this. I was literally running everything on OpenClaw up until that point. My lead gen business that was generating me thousands of dollars a week, my content encoding workflow, and even the cute morning messages to my wife that made her think that I was the ultimate romantic. All of that came to a screeching halt because Anthropic was like, give us more money, yo. Since I'm not made of dollar bills, I went down a rabbit hole to replace my beloved Opus 4.6. And I may have found something better because I've just reconfigured my OpenClaw with Codex and GPT 5.4. And let me show you how to set that up. Okay, so what we're trying to do here is we're trying to set up GPT 5.4 as the brain and Codex as the coding layer. And if you've got OpenClaw with all of your settings, you don't need to reinstall again. We're just onboard GPT 5.4. So for this, you'll need two commands. The first one is the onboard command, and I'm just going to paste that here. And don't worry guys, I'm going to put all of the commands down in the description. So I'm just going to do the onboarding again. Okay, so we will continue here. So we'll do a quick start and we'll use all existing values. So this will open my OpenAI dashboard for authentication. So I'm just going to log into my GPT account and I'm going to authenticate that. So once it says authentication successful, you can come back to your command prompt. And what we can do is we can set up channels. If you've already set up Telegram, then you can skip for now. And we can skip everything else. Configure skills, no. Again, we will skip that as well. And then it's going to ask for a gateway restart. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to restart the gateway and I will do this later. And finally, we have onboarding complete. So after the onboarding, you need to set up GPT 5.4 with OpenClaw. So for that, I'm going to enter this command here, which says OpenClaw model set. Okay, so it says config override completed. So that's good. Now what I can do is I can start the OpenClaw gateway. So once the gateway is restarted, I can come back to my OpenClaw. I can literally ask him if he's on 5.4. Okay, so he's saying that this session is currently running on 5.4, which is good. And this is where, guys, once you have GPT 5.4 as the brain, you can set up Codex as your coding layer. And Codex is actually surprisingly efficient because Codex outperforms Claude Code in high-level architectural reasoning and better terminal-based development. And to be honest, GPT 5.4 is a lot cheaper as well. You'll only be paying around $100 for everything that you might pay $200 for in your Claude Max plan. So that's a quick tutorial on how to set up GPT 5.4 with OpenClaw. So to wrap it up, if you want something affordable, simple, and clean, go with GPT 5.4 and Codex. If you like this video, then drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.